Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the PZ Lopez Trend Indicator for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This indicator is designed to identify the current market trend using a combination of moving averages, volatility analysis, and color-coded signals. In this video you'll see what the indicator watches, how it appears on the trading screen, and how the Forex Geek describes his behavior. The PZ Lopez Trend Indicator is a technical tool created by PZ Lopez to determine whether a market is in a bullish or bearish phase and to detect changes in direction. It uses a blend of moving averages, price action, and volatility filters to generate clear trend readings, while attempting to filter out minor noise and reduce false indications. On the chart, the Lopez Trend Indicator uses color changes and visual trends markers to show whether conditions are currently bullish or bearish. A transition from one color to another, together with the way price moves around the underlying moving averages, visually represents a shift between uptrend and downtrend phases. As you can see on the chart, this blue line indicates an uptrend, while this red line represents a downtrend. As we can see on the chart, right now it's showing a blue line, which is an uptrend. The indicator relies on a combination of moving averages, price action analysis, and volatility filters, while including smoothing and confirmation logic to avoid premature signals. As you can see on this screen, yeah, that's the amplitude, and it can also generate alerts for traders. You can adjust its color to whatever you like. Let me change mine to green and red. Easier analysis, and this has been updated in real time. Who is it for? The PZ Lopez Trend Indicator is intended for traders who want a visual, color-coded trend tool that can be used in styles such as swing trading and day trading. It is a trend identification and visualization tool only and does not place trades. Like any trend indicator, it can deliver delayed or false readings, especially when markets are choppy or transitioning between phases. You can download the PZ Lopez Trend Indicator for MT4 and 5 using the links in the description below. This overview highlights how its coded color design and filtering logic aim to make trend phases easier to read on the chart. If you are looking for similar trend tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 indicator breakdowns.